Hello student. In the last class, you have learned about the spread of Christianity, and now you will learn about the spread of another religion which started approximately 600 years after Christianity, and the religion is Islam. In this slide, you can see the holy shrine of the Islamic religion, which is known as the Kaaba. It is located in Mecca. Islam is one of the major religions of the world today. The religion started from Arabia, which is in the Middle Eastern part of the world, where Prophet Muhammad started preaching Islam in the 7th century CE. It swept across Asia, Africa, and Europe in less than 200 years. Before Islam, there were many warlike tribal nomadic groups in Arab. These tribes continuously fought amongst each other, and they later became the first followers of Prophet Muhammad. The birth of Islam. Prophet Muhammad was born around 570 CE in Mecca, which is in Arabia. His father died before his birth, and his mother also died when he was just 6 years old. So he was brought up by his uncle. Muhammad belonged to the Arab trading community and traveled across the region along with his uncle with the caravans. I'm sure you know what caravans are. As he grew up, he spent hours in prayers and meditation in the cave of Mount Hira. After this, when he grew up, he married a widow whose name was Khadija. She had some properties and a business too. Muhammad started looking after her business. He used to travel for trading and met many people and learnt many customs. He observed that the tribal people used to fight a lot, which he did not like at all. He always used to feel like solving the problem. He was concerned about the fighting among the tribes, injustice, discrimination, abuse of tribal authorities, and social unrest at the time. He just wondered what to do. Muhammad was a spiritual minded person as well as a good person too. So he was liked by the citizens of Mecca for his gentle and honorable nature and received the title of Alamin, which means the faithful one. Around 610 CE, at the age of 40, while meditating, Muhammad went into a trance, and Angel Gabriel told him that there was only one God, who is Allah. He carried his message to the people of Mecca and declared that Allah was the only God of existence and Muhammad was his prophet. Now, a prophet means a person who is regarded as an inspired teacher or proclaimer of the will of God. A new religion was established known as Islam. That means submission to the will of Allah. The journey from Mecca to Medina. As Muhammad was gaining popularity, there were many rich people who did not like his popularity. So Muhammad decided to shift to Medina from Mecca along with his followers. This journey from Mecca to Medina is known as Hijra, that marks the beginning of the Muslim calendar Hijra. The opposition in Mecca started when Muhammad delivered verses that condemned idol worship and polytheism. Polytheism means belief in or worship of more than one god. The people of Medina welcomed him and also had a small devoted army of fighters who were ready to lay down their lives for the sake of Islam. They actually protected Prophet Muhammad. He returned to Mecca after a decade, that is 10 years. People took up faith in both the cities, that means Mecca and Medina. Teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Now let us find out what actually Prophet Muhammad taught. Muhammad taught his followers to put away their idols and surrender to the formless Allah, He who is greater than all else. He taught that there is only one God, who is Allah. He believed that after death, life is eternal, that is endless happiness for the faithful and righteous person, and life will be suffering in hell for the one who is faithless and evil. In Islam, gambling, drinking, and lending of money on interest were prohibited. Muhammad said all true believers were equal. The religion Muhammad preached was very simple, without elaborate rituals. Believers in Allah had to follow 5 simple rules, which were called the 5 pillars of Islam. Now, let us find out what these 5 pillars are. The 5 pillars of Islam are Shahada or declaration of faith, Salat or prayer, Zakat or charity, Swam or fasting, and Hajj or pilgrimage. First is Shahada or declaration of faith. This refers to the belief that there is no God but Allah and Muhammad is his prophet. Next is Salat or prayer. Muslims are expected to pray 5 times a day at a fixed time facing Mecca. After that, we have Zakat or charity. Muslims must contribute a fixed proportion of their income to charity or help the poor and needy so that all can live a good life. Swam or fasting. Muslims must fast from dawn to dusk during Ramzan. They will be fasting for a full month. Hajj or pilgrimage. Muslims must make a pilgrimage or visit to Mecca at least once in their lifetime. Death of Prophet Muhammad. The Prophet died in 632 CE. Muhammad's death gave rise to the rule of the caliphs. Caliphs were the successors of Muhammad, who were the religious and civil leader of the community. Under their command, the Arabs carried the new faith from the Arabian Peninsula to the Mediterranean and to the eastern stretches of Iran. The Arabs overtook Syria, Palestine, and Egypt from the Byzantine Empire and conquered Iraq and Iran from the Sasanian Empire. They started spreading their religion to the west as well as to the east. Recapitulation. So student, let us take a short recap. We have learned the early life of Prophet Muhammad. We have also learned how Muhammad started the religion Islam, his journey from Mecca to Medina, and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad along with the 5 pillars of Islam.